Hello, this little video is going to show you how to divide small whole numbers. For example, we want to know 42 divided by 5. Same value, different appearance. Another way of writing the divide sign is when it's written like a fraction. People are scared of fractions, but they're just times tables in disguise. In this case, I need to know how many 5s go into 42. So if I know my 5 times table, that's quite easy. If I don't know my 5 times table, I'm going to write out the numbers. So I might write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Well, 45 is too big. So that's how many times it goes in. So I'm just going to count how many numbers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 5 is 40. So 42 divided by 5, it goes in 8 whole times, but there's a remainder. You might see it written little r for remainder. Well, what's left over is 40, 41, 42, so there's 2 left over. If I was writing this as a fraction, I would say it goes in 8 whole times and 2/5 left over. So 8 remainder 2. 8 remainder 2 is 8 and 2/5. I'll do another one with the 5 times table. I'm choosing the 5 times table because that's one that most people find the pattern quite simple, and then we'll move on to some different times tables. So let's say I wanted 38 divided by 5, or I wanted to change the improper fraction 38/5. They're exactly the same question. They're both asking how many times does 5 go into 38? Well, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40. So it only goes in, because that's too big. So it goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whole ones. Remainder, 35, and I've got to get up to 38. So 35, 36, 37, 38. Remainder 3. Can't really leave it like that. It doesn't look as mathsy. It doesn't look like a proper mathematician. It's correct, but you really want to be writing it like this. 7 whole ones and 3 of those left over. This is the same as changing an improper fraction to a mixed number. I'll put the link in the description. But you might be asking, well, that's okay with the 5s. What about if it's something really nasty like 7? So let's have a look at this one. 52 divided by 7, or you might see it written 52 divided by 7. Well, I'm not as good with my 7 times table, so I'm going to put myself, and this is a good way to start off until you've learned your tables. It's a good way to go, I know I've got to put how many 7s go into 52. So I'm going to put 7 little dashes because they're going to help me do the counting. Much more efficient than doing it on my fingers, because then it's easy to lose track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've put 7 little squiggles. Now I'm going to start at the beginning, and every time I get to the end, I'm going to write down the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to the beginning. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 3 7s are 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, getting close, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. I can stop now because 56 is bigger than 52. So it goes in how many whole numbers? 1 7, 2 7s, 3 7s, 4 7s, 5 7s, 6 7s, 7 7s. So it goes in 7 whole times, which is 49. But I've got to get to 52. So 49, 50, 51, 52. So it's remainder 3. 7, remainder 3. Well, I write that as 7 whole ones and 3 sevenths left over. 7 sevens are 49, 49, 50, 51, 52. There we go. One more and then you can have a go. So make sure you've got a pen and paper with you and you'll have a go at some. So we're going to do, finally, we're going to do 17 divided by 4, or 17 over 4. Now I'm not very good at my 4 times table either, so I'm going to put 4, I'm going to put that number of squiggles, and that's going to help me do my times tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well, 20 is bigger than 17, so it doesn't go in that many times. It only goes in that many times, up to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it equals 4 whole ones and 16, 17 and 1/4 left over. Okay, I'll do one more and then you can have a go. Let's have 23 divided by 3. 23 divided by 3. Remember, those are both the same ways of showing the same thing. There's a link, as I said, to changing an improper fraction to a mixed number, but it's actually just doing dividing by 3. So I'm going to do 3 little bobbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you see I just have to count now? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Well, 24 is bigger than 23, so it's not that one. So it can only go in that many whole numbers of times, which is 1, 3, 2 3s, 3 3s, 4 3s, 5 3s, 6, 7 whole times. And 21, 22, 23, there are 2 left over. And the way to write that as a fraction is 7 and 2, that's the denominator, thirds. So I'm going to put a few up for you to have a go at, so you'll be able to pause the video. Either do it by knowing your times tables, because say for example you know your times tables really well. If I put 13 over 2, you can just dive straight in and say, well, 6 2s are 12 and there's 1 left over. It's perfectly fine to go 6 2s are 12, remainder 1. If you know your tables, you don't have to do the writing out. But let's have a look. So the first one is going to be a number 24, and it's in the 5 times tables. You're going to do 5 times tables. How many 5s go into 24? The second one, 31 divided by 6. So find out how many 6s go into 31. C, 27 divided by 4, and D, 29 over 3. Pause the video and see how you get on. Okay, hopefully you've had a go and you're feeling a little bit more confident. So first one, I want to know how many 5s go into 24. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, that's too big. So it goes in 4 whole ones. Now 4 times 5 is 20. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 4 left over. Or you may have written it 4 remainder 4. That's beautiful. That's correct. 31 divided by 6. So I'm going to do my 6 times table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Well, that's too big. So it goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. and the remainder from 30 to 31 is remainder 1. If you want to write it as a mixed number, you've written 5 and 1 over 6. That's beautiful. That's correct, but that's beautiful. 27 divided by 4, same value, different appearance. So the 4 times table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I know that add 4, and just keep adding 4. That's too big, so it goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whole times. 6 fours are 24, so the remainder is 24, 25, 26, 27. Writing it as a mixed number, 6 3/4. Hopefully you've written 6 3/4, beautiful, or you've got it 6 remainder 3. 29 thirds. Well, I know that 10 times 3 is 30, and that's going to be too big. So it's going to be 27, so it's going to be 9 whole ones. Now 9 threes are 27, 28, 29, remainder 2. So I write that as 9 2/3. I really hope that helped. Give yourself some practice if you want to, for some extra practice, by just getting a calculator either on your phone or a separate calculator and writing some numbers down to see what you get and finding out what the remainder is. But I really hope that helped, and bye bye.